back for more. Can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Everybody, it's the Thrift Plug. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you out to the Goodwill with me. Shop around, look around. Now let's get into it. We at the Goodwill today. Doing this. Don't follow me. Follow me. Don't follow me. These boots. Come on, now. Selection. Check them out. These are the men's clothes. This is men's. Okay, let's find it. We'll be coming around the mountain. I think it's like labeled wrong. Found the men's. What can we find today? Ooh, this is kind of spicy. Ooh, how did I know? Look at that was an eye. Look at that. Ooh, a little Ralph Lauren. Yeah, right. Okay, next aisle. Okay, let's go look at the jackets, because that's my style. Check this out. Follow me. Don't follow me. She said, shut up and dance with me. What's my destiny? Okay, so enough cut. Here, so you can't even get your foot in here. What size boots is these? What size? $16 for this to hurt one outfit. Shut up and dance with me. Oh, something's in there, Kimmy. Stay right there. All these slippers though, they have a lot.
I like these ones.
Yeah. Oh, those are hot stuff. What about these rain boots? Chicken bar bog.
Bog, get some chicken.
How you do that chicken head dance?
Oh.
That's it? How? It's not really practice.
You can't dance.
Stop me. Why tell mom what you said?
Go ahead, it's on
How?
camera.
How do you do it? Chicken bog bog. That's me. Okay, how much video footage do we have?
No.
I'll get my legs are hairy. Dress. Dress or no dress? So nice and color coordinated, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Pants camping. Well, your pants is too
Why your pants?
That girl's a white chicken. She was like, no, Kim, you really don't fit. I'm not playing. Look how far they go up. Okay, cut. I look like somebody's dad with these glasses on. Someone's grandpa. I'm gonna show you a few things I got from the Goodwill. I got this little old man Crosby sweater. Super cute, super vintage like Superman. I got this leather jacket, Rock and Republic. It's kind of cute, super furry in the inside, whatever. And I got this Tommy Bahama. This Tommy Bahama. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at thriftplug_, and I have my Posh closet in the bio, the link in my bio.